Hello everyone, this is Arnish and today we'll be solving another question, and the question is this one. In the figure, O is the center of the circle and we have to find the measure of angle AOC. So this, and we are given four options: 128, 158, 136 and 120. So the first thing is that we should draw this figure, and this is the figure right here from the question, and we have to find the measure of angle AOC. So the first thing you have to do is to think of how many angles you can find. So the first thing that I would do is draw a radius OB. Because O is the center and from O to B I have drawn the radius. So we look at this triangle first. So this is forming a triangle OBC. These two sides are equal and this is an isosceles triangle. So in an isosceles triangle, the angles opposite to equal sides are equal. So these two angles will be equal. So this angle is given as 31. So this will also be 31. And same here, the radiuses are equal. So this angle is given 48. So this will also be equal to 48. So 31 and 48 are the two angles. And if we add both the angles, we will get 48 plus 31, which is 8 plus 1, 9, 4, 5, 6, 7, 79. Now we know a theorem that the angle subtended by a arc at the center is double the angle subtended by it at any other point on the circle. So if we write the theorem down, angle AOC that we have to find is double the angle ABC. Angle ABC. Angle ABC is the sum of these two, and that is 79. So angle AOC will be equal to twice of 79. AOC will be equal to twice of 79. So we have to multiply 79 by 2. 9 2s are 18, 7 2s are 14, plus 1 15, 158. The answer is 158 degrees. And this right here is the answer. Now there is one more method to solve this, but if you are happy with this method, you can click off. And yeah, the other method is that we have named all the angles as 1, and this is 2, this is 3 and this is 4. It might be very clear that these four sides are forming a quadrilateral, so this will help us later. First we will see that angle 5 is equal to twice of angle 4. Angle 5 is twice of angle 4, the theorem that we had discussed earlier. And so this is equation 1. Now angle 5 plus angle 2 is 360 degree, because this is angle 5, this is angle 2. If we add it, we get a complete angle, and that is 360 degree. So angle 5 is transposing angle 2, so 360 degree minus angle 2, and this is equation 2. So angle 5 is twice of angle 4, and angle 5 is also equal to 360 degree minus angle 2. So things which are equal to the same things are equal to one another. So twice of angle 4 is equal to 360 degree minus angle 2. And now if we continue transposing minus angle 2 here, so it will be plus. So twice of angle 4 plus angle 2 is equal to 360 degree. But this is a quadrilateral. So all the interior angles of a quadrilateral are equal to 360 degree. So angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 is 360. And angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 is 360. Now things which are equal to the same things are equal to one another. So twice of angle 4 plus angle 2 is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4. Angle 2 will be cancelled, and here angle 4 is twice, here it is once. So we will cut here and we'll cut the 2. So one angle 4 is left. So angle 4 is equal to angle 1 plus angle 3. Angle 4 is equal to angle 1 plus angle 3. Now if we bring it back, this angle will be equal to this plus this. So 48 plus 31, that is 79. We have already discussed the remaining, and then you can solve it as usual. So that's all for today's video. Thank you.